There's a little bit of hype behind the StyleCraft Reign Trimmer. You know I gotta see what it's about. Let's get it. YouTube, I'm back with another video. We got something that's been brewing a little bit. It's a little bit of hype behind it, and I got it for a good price. You already know it's package day, so let's get right to it. Stop the video right there. Did you subscribe? Your support keeps me on people's algorithm and it keeps my channel going. So please subscribe. I appreciate y'all. Let's get back into the video. Package! It's starting to feel like every day is package day these days, but it's so much stuff dropping, it's only right. Let me open this box up real quick. We got the StyleCraft Reign. Now I like the purple on this box. I feel like purple is a color most clipper companies do not use. You don't see it that much in our industry. It's got a fixed diamond blade, brushless motor, 3.5 hours of runtime, 7,200 RPM, which matches most trimmers these days. The open skeleton design and a USB-C charge. So let's get to it. Here we have the StyleCraft Reign. Now I like the purple. This is a white trimmer. I just hope over time it doesn't change colors. I feel like this is a material that would not change colors on me, but only time will tell. You got the diamond cut blade. I haven't used this blade yet, so I'm kind of excited to see what that's about, but in hand it feels great. This is a full metal body. I didn't expect it to be a full metal body. In the pictures, it looked like it was plastic or something, but it is a full metal body from the feel of it. Or maybe it's just really hard plastic. You got your finger grooves in the back. If you can see that, I know it's bright. Since I started using StyleCraft trimmers, I do like the button up front. I'm used to that with the Saber at this point. And when you press the button, it turns purple. On the bottom, it has the plug-in that looks like it sits on a dock, but I doubt there's a dock in that box. It's a pretty small box. And then you have USB-C on the bottom. This trimmer does feel nice. I'll probably put a grip on it though. But let's get to the rest of this box. So in the box, we got a cord, a USB-C cord, StyleCraft screwdriver, and we got oil and a little clipper brush. So it's pretty basic. Nothing crazy in there. This trimmer goes for $190 on the StyleCraft website. But if you're like me, you're either gonna get a discount code or you're gonna find it on the website where it's a lot cheaper. Now I do wanna test this out so I can compare it to the Saber. So we're gonna put this in rotation for today and we'll see what happens. Let's start our day. All right, it's the end of the day, y'all. It's really late, actually. But I had to get on here and talk about this trimmer right here. Now, this is my first time trying the diamond cut blade by StyleCraft. It's nice, but I don't know if it's what I'm looking for. I don't know if it's what I prefer. It definitely feels comfortable in hand once you put a grip on it. I like everything about this trimmer. Somebody please let me know if this is metal or just really hard plastic. I'm not actually sure which one it is, but it definitely feels good in hand. I put a grip on it. It was a little slick, so I had to put a grip on it. It cuts well. I pushed up the blade a little bit, but I think I prefer my blade a little bit closer. I'm probably gonna end up switching this blade for the one blade just because I'm comfortable with that blade now. I like that it's comfortable for the client and it doesn't feel like I'm gonna cut someone. There's no irritation, there's no redness with that blade. With a diamond cut blade, it did get into some people's pores, and that's a little bit of the issue for me, but also I gapped it pretty close and it's still not hitting the way I want them to. As far as the trimmer body, I like it a lot. It's pretty small, it's not big at all. I just would like a little bit of a better blade on this trimmer. Other than that, I had no issues with this trimmer. I'm gonna try to switch the blade out. Maybe I'll make a video for that, we'll see, but I wish it came with a dock. That would be convenient, and for a price like that I do think it should come with a dock, but it didn't. I let Jose in the shop try it. He likes it, but I know he'll like it even more with the one blade on it, so we're gonna have to go get that. Anyways, like, subscribe if you got this trimmer. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you use this blade or you switched it to a different blade. And like always, I go by the name of Cruze. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.